Life or your career may have gotten in the way of your college degree, but that doesn't mean your time out of school was wasted. At SNU, we understand learning takes place inside and outside of the classroom. What if you could turn those experiences and achievements into college credit? At SNU, we offer an experiential learning evaluation process that can earn up to 30 credit hours towards your undergraduate degree, completely free. That's an entire year of college already done, meaning you can earn your degree sooner than later. So, how does it work? We ask you about your life. Did you earn any certificates? CEUs? What about licenses or workshops? Maybe you regularly balanced your family's budget or coached a little league team. All these things and more built your knowledge base. We believe that could translate into college credit, whether you're a stay-at-home parent or a military member. At SNU, you'll work closely with academic advisors who review individual academic needs and recommend places where your unique life experience can apply towards your college degree. So don't let all that time go to waste. Let your life speak with SNU.